All right, look at this. This is the next day after the previous video, and we're getting snow now at about 2 inches an hour, and shortly that's going to go up to about 6 inches an hour. It was at 8 inches per hour fall, but it's dropped down to 6. But we're still going to get in excess of a foot of snow today. So, and it's going to be like this most all day long. Yeah. Gorgeous. Yeah. A little girl. She loves the snow for some reason.
I've done this 3 times. Good morning. And just does not want to stop. This snow is just crazy. Yeah, there we go. Listen to that wind. It's craziness. I gotta keep an eye on Alan because we're not getting any younger. And to be able to clear off all that snow from the solar panels takes a lot of energy. Now, there we go. Look at that. That's crazy. Okay. And there is one side of the roof. That's why we did such a really tall pitch, so that the snow could slide off, but we don't have the same luxury on the other side because we have a porch roof. So it's getting pretty thick. It looks like about 3 feet from here, near the lowest point. But I just thought I'd get on here and let everybody know we are alive. I almost bit the dust. Okay. Hi.